Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit, my host on Intellect Digest, and today we have with us the Infinix Smart 3 Plus, a budget phone priced at under 7,000 rupees and comes with AI triple camera at the rear, which is why it's called Smart 3 Plus. In this video, we are going to give you an unboxing as well as we are giving away one of this phone, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's get started with this video. So this is how the box is, and at the back of the box it mentions all the key features. It has a 6.21 inch HD plus water drop notch display, AI triple camera, dual VoLTE support, low light selfie support, a large 3500 mAh battery, and it also comes with face and fingerprint unlock, and all this for under 7,000 rupees. That's a commendable value for money. This phone is going on sale on Flipkart at 7,000 rupees starting today, and you can get one for free here on our channel, so make sure you watch it till the end. We are going to give away one unit of the Infinix Smart 3 Plus. So the first thing in the box that comes out is this beautiful phone. It comes in different color options. We have got the midnight black option here, and it comes with this nice and glossy black color back, and it comes with this water drop notch. There is this protective plastic which comes with all the features mentioned here, and this is the display, 6.21 inches HD plus display on this phone. I'll keep the phone to the side for a moment and show you what else is in the box. So here you get a wall adapter. This is 5 volt and 1.2 ampere, so 6 watt charger. You get a data cable. There is some documentation, and you also get some accessories in the box, which includes a screen guard and a back cover, and this back cover particularly looks very smart. It has these patterns on the back of it. It's a soft case, so let me just snap it on. Excuse me, it's not a soft, it's a hard case, and it does grip the phone quite nicely and gives it a nice funky look as well. I really like the way it looks. I've not seen something like it packed in a box, so that's a good value. Thumbs up to Infinix for that. Let me keep everything aside and get back to the phone. And we are back to the phone after quickly setting it up, and as you can see, it does look quite good in design. If you have a quick physical overview look of this phone, you will find that there is power wake up key on the right and volume rocker here. On top it is totally clean, and on the left side there is a SIM card tray, and on the bottom there is speaker grill, charging port, and you also get primary microphone hole and 3.5mm audio port. And on the front is this 6.21 inch Full HD plus display, and the colors look quite vibrant here. On front there is an 8 megapixel front facing camera. There is earpiece just on top of it, and on the rear there is a triple camera setup which is AI enabled, and there is fingerprint scanner and Infinix branding and smart branding down here. Let me quickly show you the fingerprint unlock performance here. So it does work all right. As soon as I put my finger here, it sort of unlocks within a second or so. There is also face unlock provided on this. Without wasting any further time, let me quickly give you a few camera samples of this phone, which is what it is known for. This phone is interestingly with artificial intelligence enabled cameras, and it comes with a triple setup at the back. The cameras are 13 plus 2 megapixel, and there is the third sensor, which is a low light sensor, which detects if there is low light condition, and then gives you the settings or the exposure values accordingly. And this is the AI camera shot that I have taken, and it has come out to be really crisp and very detailed. I'm surprised that a 7,000 rupees phone can do this. I'm really surprised to see that. Let's try take a selfie and see how it comes. The front also says AI camera, so I'm not sure, but it looks like this is AI enabled in some way. and this is an 8 megapixel selfie, quite detailed I must say. I've been able to zoom in and the pixels are not pixelating so easily. It's capturing in quite a wide frame. As you can see the paintings on the wall behind me and the ceiling above me. So the cameras are doing a good job in terms of performance. It is powered by a Snapdragon Helio 822 quad-core processor with 2 gigs of RAM, and there is 32 GB of internal memory on this phone. 3500 mAh battery powers this phone. So with the kind of processor and display resolution it has, it should be able to go on for around 1 to 2 days on one full charge easily, which is a good thing. There is also the side slider thing that has been provided. The interface looks quite nice and it is based on Android 9 Pie. So let me quickly show you the Android version as well. It also gives you 32 GB of internal storage, and you can expand the memory by adding a micro SD card of up to 256 GB on this phone. So a quite promising phone, good camera setup, nice design, good build, and it comes with a beautiful display as well. And all that for under 7,000 rupees. Pretty good value. If you want to get one for yourself, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section. And now let's come to the giveaway part of it. If you want to win one of these on our channel, just go ahead and tweet the link provided in the description section below and leave a comment below this video. Share this video with your friends for increasing your chances to win. One lucky winner will get a Smart 3 Plus by Infinix. So good luck to you, all the best. This is all we have on this video. If you enjoyed watching it, give us a thumbs up, stay subscribed for more. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.